In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur text in Adobe Acrobat. Now, you can't actually directly blur text, however, you can redact it, which is going to achieve a similar result. However, it's not going to be blurred, but it's going to be blacked out, okay? So all you have to do here is simply go to the right with your document open, and you want to search for tools, and you want to type in redact, or like redaction, whatever, and it's going to say redact text and images, so you can just click on that. And then from here, I'm currently on this redact text and images over here. And what you want to do is basically first select the properties, so click on the arrow down and click on properties, and then this is going to open up kind of your fill colors, your overlay text, etc. So you could go and change it to actually not be blacked out, but to be a different color. You could like do it like, for example, gray, which is gonna give you more like of a blur impression. And then you also have the overlay text here. If you want to add anything over it, that's up to you as well. And here you have like the redaction mark appearance. You can change this as well. You can have full opacity or just like lower opacity. So if I lower this, for example, to like 45%, then it's going to look like kind of a blur. And of course, I'm just going to leave the fill color as it is. And then the outline color is going to be gray as well. Okay. Now I'm going to click on OK. And if I go and try to redact something, like for example, this text over here, as you can see, I've kind of blurred the text over here, just like this. I could, of course, draw rectangles as well around different portions where I want redactions to apply. And that way, I'm kind of blurring text and everything inside my document. Okay. Now, whenever you want to apply these redactions, you simply have to click on the apply button top right, and those are going to get applied and permanently blurred. That's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.